Question number 7, subdivision A. A trapezium is given with, uh, with all the measurements that we need to calculate the area. So, area of a trapezium is equal to half h into a plus b. A and b denotes the parallel sides. So, half 8 into 9 plus 13, 4, 4 into 22, which is 88. So, the answer is 88 centimeters square. Then subdivision 2. Here also trapezium is given, but all the measurements are given as small expressions. And here the area of the trapezium is given. It is 264 centimeters square, and we have to prove that we have to bring this expression or equation. Now let us take the area. Here also area of trapezium is equal to 264 centimeters square. Now applying the formula, half h into a plus b. H is y plus 2, a plus b, a plus b. A and b, as I said, they denote the parallel sides, is equal to 264. In the next step, we will take the 2 on the other side. So it goes as multiplication, 264 into 2. So I'm retaining this y plus 2 as such. Inside the bracket, it becomes 2y plus 5. 2 goes on the other side. If we multiply, it becomes 528. And then as usual, distributive property. So 2y square plus 4y plus 5y plus 10 is equal to 528. 2y square plus 9y. Take the 528 on the other side, then it will become minus 528, which will lead to 10 minus 528, which is minus 518. So hence proved. Subdivision B. They have given one equation. We just have to solve that by factorization. We have to get the value for y. So 2y square plus 9y minus 518 is equal to 0. Now AC, if I multiply A and C, get this. For this minus 1036, I need to get two factors in such a way that if I add those two factors, I must get plus 9. Okay, so if you don't know, we can do the prime factorization and then we can get it. 518 divided 259 7 37. Now 37 is a prime, so I have to stop it. So the numbers are 28 is one number and 37 is one number. It is minus 1036. So I have to put minus on any one of these two. So I prefer to go with minus 28 because if I add these two, then I get plus 9. So 2y square plus 37y minus 28y minus 518 is equal to 0. Taking out y, 2y plus 37 minus taking out 14 as common, 2y plus 37 is equal to 0. So taking 2y plus 37 as common, we get this. So which means y is minus 37 by 2 and y is 14. Now here y refers to the length of the side or the height, so it cannot be negative. So we just ignore the negative value. Therefore, y becomes only 14. So y is 14 centimeter of course. Then next subdivision. Question B of that same question number 7. This is the B part. Sector is given. The side of it is 8 centimeter, which is that radius. So both the radii will be 8 centimeter. Angle is given, which is 75 degree. Now he is asking us to find out the perimeter of the sector. The perimeter of the sector includes this side, the arc length, and this side. So perimeter will be equal to 8 plus 8 plus theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So 16 plus 75 by 360 into 2 pi r is 8 centimeter. So for this expression entirely, if we use the calculator, I get 10.47. So on addition, it becomes 26.47. So perimeter is 26.47. Next question. Subdivision C of question number 7. There is a diagram given. Okay, and some parts of it are labeled with measurements. The diagram shows a shape ABQP made from 3 straight lines and an arc of a sector of a circle. The sector has center O and an angle 90 degree. POQ is a straight line. AP equal to PO equal to OQ equal to QB is equal to 5 centimeter. Oh, all of them are 5. Find the area ABQP. ABQP. So in this shape, we have two triangles APO and BQO, and then one sector AOB. Okay, so area of triangle APO and area of triangle BQO, both of them have to be equal because they have the same dimensions, which is equal to half into base into height, which is nothing but 25 by 2, that is 12.5. Then area of that sector ABO, which is theta by 360 into pi r square. We don't have this r. R is that AO. So let's calculate AO. AO can be calculated like this. Right angle triangle is there with the perpendicular on the base as 5 and 5. So from there we can get. So 5 square plus 5 square, which is equal to 25 plus 25, which is 50. So again it is 5 root 2. So this line becomes 5 root 2. Right. So now Theta is 90 by 360 into pi into 5 root 2 square. So which will give us, this is 4, and 5 root 2 will give us again 25 into 2. On cancelling, we get 12.5 pi. So this is for the sector. So area of ABQP. So it is comprising of 3 areas. 12.5 plus another 12.5. So this is one 12.5. This is another 12.5. And this is 12.5 pi plus 12.5 pi. I'm not disturbing that pi because this is a format that we have to get. A plus K pi form. So 12.5 plus 12.5 is 25. 25 plus 12.5 pi. So this is our answer. It is following that format what they wanted. So the answer goes like this: 25 plus 12.5 pi centimeter square.